Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and this is our frequently asked questions, or what we think will be frequently asked questions for our new curbside delivery here at our retail store, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Now for our local peeps, and really this just applies to our local peeps, if you're a customer who needs their order to be shipped, then this is not the service for you. You're going to place your orders online just as always. But if you're a local peep, meaning that you generally drive to our store to shop with us until we closed down because of COVID back in March, then this is the video for you to watch to learn how to place an order so that we can offer you curbside delivery. So again, if you are in Virginia or Montana or New York or Maine or Brisbane or Hong Kong or London or Paris, then this video doesn't apply to you. This is just for our local customers who generally shop in our retail store. I mean, we have customers who haven't been able to come shop with us and they literally live across the street. Hi, Melissa. She can probably see the front of our store from her house. And then we have Gail, who's down the street, and Tracy over here, and Michael and Tony are that way, and Cookie, and I mean, we just have a host of Peggy, and I mean, there's just a host of in-store people Barbara, who usually come and see us in the store, who we have not seen in months and months. And unfortunately, with a curbside delivery, it will be a hands-free delivery, which means we're going to do it into your trunk. We'll put the bag into your trunk, but at least you'll be able to not necessarily have your order be placed online. We're going to try and offer this service to local people to help lessen some of the online orders and give some of our local peeps the opportunity to kind of feel normal again. Even though we can't do a Saturday with Stacy in-store make and take, at least now you can kind of feel like we're getting back to something of a normal. We don't expect to open our retail store until potentially January 2021. I really want to see how we do during the winter months and the flu season. I do know that other stores are reopening under limited capacity, and if we were to reopen, again, there would be no in-store make and takes. We would have to adhere to the limited capacity, which would not allow very many of you in our store in the first place. But I really do feel an obligation, not just to my family, but to our employees and their family, and you and your family, to see how we get through the flu season. And if we do okay during that, then we can talk about reopening perhaps in January. But I have a husband who had open heart surgery and a stroke, and I have an employee whose grandchildren have cystic fibrosis. I have an employee who has cystic fibrosis. I have another employee who had stage 3 cancer. I have several employees. Well, I can't say several because we don't have that many right now, but we have some of these employees are over the age of 60. So there's a responsibility to mitigate any type of possibility of them contracting anything while they're here at work. And I hope that you understand that. For the local peeps, you know these people, you know them, they're your friends. You share their lives with them and they share their lives with you. My staff are your good friends. So I know that you understand why I feel it necessary to perhaps be a little overly cautious. But with a hands-free curbside delivery, we're hoping to reach some of you who are looking to get your products and you're okay with kind of the terms and conditions. So let's get into that. First off, you will not be able to place a phone order. You will not be placing an online order. I've set up an email address, curbside@scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and that is where you will send us your order after watching this video. If you have questions about how to format the order, if you visit our website, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, right underneath our logo, you'll see a little link that says Curbside Delivery. Just click on that, and that will kind of give you the rundown and just a little example of how we'd appreciate your order to be sent to us. It does need to be sent to the curbside@scrapbookingmadesimple.com email address. Not any other email address, not by phone, and please do not place your order online and then think that you'll be able to do a curbside pickup. In the subject line of your order, we do ask that you reference the YouTube number that you are ordering from. That would be a huge help for us. So that's the first thing. That's the email address that we're going to send it to. Once you have sent that order through, there can be no changes. We cannot add nor can we take away from that order. If you have forgotten something, just send another order through and it'll just go to the back of the line. You'll go in order. We'll fill these in the order that we receive them, just like we do online. But we're not going to be able to add to an order once we receive that email, because that email ultimately becomes your packing slip. And so to keep things very simple and straightforward, if you need to delete something, take something off your order, then we'll cancel out your first order and you'll have to submit a second order, very much like our online services. So no changes once you've sent us that email, unless you just want to cancel the entire order, and then you just need to let us know that. The orders can only be placed on product that is currently in our YouTube Yummies category. So whatever product is in that YouTube Yummies category, you are welcome to order. If it be Stacy tape or 100-pound cardstock or the product that we're featuring in that week's YouTube, that's the parameters of what you can order from. If something new came in from Memory Box or Spellbinders or I don't know, Penny Black or whatever manufacturer, and you see that it's a new product, but it's not in the YouTube Yummies category, you cannot place an order for curbside delivery. That order will need to go through our online store. Why? Well, for the same reason when you come into our retail store and you're shopping just normally. If you came in on a Saturday and unfortunately whatever we had on that YouTube was already sold out by the time you got here, we didn't just run upstairs to grab more. We told you, oh my gosh, we're so sorry. Check online and see if it's still available online. The inventories have to be kept separate. We have an online inventory and we have an in-store inventory. So we have talked to all of the manufacturers for the upcoming YouTubes. They know that we now need some of this product in before the YouTube, just like a normal Saturday would be when you would come in and it's all spread out, all on the tables for you to choose from. Now, this time it's just we're going to be doing your shopping for you and then dropping it to you outside. But we don't know if we're going to need 25 of something or 48 of something. It's just going to be a guess for a little while until we get a feel for what it is that we need to have on hand for curbside delivery orders. So is it possible that you place an order via the email, curbside@scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and we have to contact you and let you know that unfortunately the items you want are sold out? Yes, it's possible. Curbside delivery orders will start the minute the YouTube goes live, the minute every Saturday morning. We will start confirming orders on Monday because we're closed right now Saturdays and Sundays. So on Monday, we'll take those orders and we will go through them order by order, and we will start confirming, yes, this order can be filled completely, and then we will call you for your credit card information and we will let you know when you're able to pick that order up. It may be that you don't place your curbside order till Wednesday or Thursday, and maybe some of the product that you wanted is now sold out. We'll let you know that too. And then you can decide whether you want to continue with the order or you just want to cancel and wait till next time. Either way is okay. Just know that it's me making a best educated guess on how much product we're going to need to supply our local people, our local peeps who normally come see us during the week and on a Saturday for a free make and take. There will need to be changes to this. We will need to learn and grow from this. And the way we're starting it now, this is my best guess on how to do it. After 2 weeks, I might find out that I was completely wrong and I need to rethink, okay, there's got to be a better way than this, and we'll make adjustments to improve. The goal is to just start. Just start. If we don't start, we're never going to know. So we just need to start. Now, I've told you it's limited to the items in the YouTube. That's all you're able to place an order for. And no changes to the orders once they're placed. I also need to tell you, local people, I love you. I do. But you cannot hedge your bets. No. You cannot go and place an online order and a curbside delivery order. I can't have you do that. I love you. But that will cause havoc for us. And when there's 6 of us, literally 6 of us, trying to pack, ship, print, invoice, make samples, I ask you to please not make more work for us than needed. So we will be checking every curbside order delivery that is emailed to us to see if you've got an online order too. If you do, we will be canceling out your curbside delivery and allowing your online order to continue through, and that is how you will receive your orders. Again, this is only for our local customers. If you are not here in sunny California, none of this applies to you. If you are here in sunny California, we can't wait to receive your curbside orders, but please, again, don't try to hedge your bets. You can't place the order twice in 2 different places, hoping that at least one of them sticks. You've got to make your own decision. Do I want to place it curbside? I'll get it faster, absolutely, but I may not get all my product. Or do I want to place it online and know that once I confirm out that product's allocated to my order? I leave that in your hands, but I can't have you do both. So I'm asking kindly. I need my glasses. I've got my cheat sheet. Curbside pickup. So delivery. We will be doing deliveries on Fridays. Fridays are when you'll be allowed to pick up your orders. Friday between, I want to say 11 and 4 p.m. Now, it doesn't have to be you. It can be your spouse, your child, your best friend, whomever you would like to send along the way here to pick it up. Just have them bring a copy of your email so we can see that they have a copy of your email, and we will be putting it in their trunk. So contactless delivery. You'll call us on Friday between 11 and 4 when you're going to be here, right when you get outside the store. You won't even need to get a parking space. You'll call us, you'll say, I'm here. We'll pop out, you'll hit the trunk button, we'll drop it in and close your trunk for you, and we'll wave hello and blow kisses and air hugs and say, we'll see you soon. So Fridays, and we will call you to let you know what Friday you may pick up on. You may place your order for this week's YouTube, but not be able to pick it up on the Friday in that week. It may have to wait till the following week. Manufacturers are also struggling through the pandemic. They're struggling with supply chain. They're struggling. Who would think that a little cap on something would cause the entire product to not be able to ship? So we will call you once we have it all ready to go and it's all packed in, and tell you when it's okay to come get it, to pick it up. And that would be on the Friday. So if we call you on a Wednesday, we'll need you to come pick it up that Friday, but we'll give you the date, and then the time is anywhere in between, and you'll just call us and let us know you're outside. What happens if you don't pick your order up on Friday? Well, we don't have the space right now to hold orders. Not right now. So if you're not able to pick your order up on Friday in between those times, we will just issue you a refund for that order and put that product back in stock we'll just take it upstairs and it'll be counted as online product. You can only place orders for the items that are in that week's YouTube. Oh, we got something. Oh, we do. Holy smokes, it's a huge pallet. I have no idea where it is and I have no idea where we're going to put it. But anyway, okay. So we don't have room right now we don't have room right now to hold things. So if you can't pick it up on the Friday that we've given to you, or you can't send somebody for you, we'll just refund you that purchase. And then you can then there's the next week's YouTube if you want. But we do need to have all purchases picked up on the date that we have given to you. Oh my gosh, I have no idea where they're going to put all that. Pickup will be contactless. I talked that. We're going to have you pop your trunk. We're going to put it in and then shut your trunk and give you a hug and a hello. Well, a virtual hug and a hello. I think we've gone over all of that. So if you place your order on Saturday, we will begin confirming orders via phone call on Monday. Not everybody may get a phone call on Monday. It may take us into Tuesday. When you send us your email at curbside@scrapbookingmadesimple.com, you will find that there'll be a bounce back that says, yes, we've received your order. And that is not your confirmation. That is just letting you know we've received your order. We'll try and start calling back Monday, Tuesday, just to confirm that, yes, your order will be complete. This is how much, and take your credit card information. Again, if you don't get your order in till Thursday or Friday, it is possible that all the product may be sold out, or certain products may be sold out. The last thing that we want to talk about is, well, two things. One, all conditions are subject to change. Like I said, this is a learning process. We will figure out the best way to do this and go from there and make the changes necessary to make it as easy, to make it as easy and seamless for you and my staff. And the last thing is, please be kind. Please be kind. If we've sold out of something, it's not because we want to disappoint you. It's because we've sold out of something. If it takes us 2 days to get back to you to confirm your order, it's not because we're trying to cause you frustration. It's because we're small. We're so limited right now. We are in our own little bubble here, trying to keep everybody safe and healthy. So just bear with us and give us an opportunity to learn how to do this in the best way possible. Like I said, the first few weeks may be a mess, but we will learn from them. We will grow from them. We will change and do better. Or it may be a wild success and I may have covered everything and we may not run into any issues at all. Time will tell. So, from me to you, Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, to all of my local customers, I miss you. I can't wait to see you again. I cannot wait for our lives to become even if they're never exactly the way they were again, just to be able to give you a hug and tell you all, shh, I got to tell you how to do this during the make and take. Now pay attention to me. I miss that. I miss the little side chatting and I miss seeing everybody's creations and what you do and how you take what our ideas on Saturday and make them into your ideas. I miss Michael doing his own thing with the make and take. So and Donna saying, or Tammy saying, I don't want my fingers to get dirty. These are people I know and I love and I care about. I miss you all, and we hope to see you at Curbside Delivery here at Scrapbooking Made Simple. All right, you guys. Bye. Curbside Delivery, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, but watch the video.